I'm going to disassemble the lever that I'd put on the clutch arm. You can see how I had kind of rigged it up here, so I'll just peel this tape off. I don't know, I put like 3 or 4 different pieces of tape on there. Sure which order I did it in. To always finish at the same point. Then this Velcro strap that I found in a closet, I just wrapped that around, wound it up. I put a couple pieces of tape on the end there. You can see to keep the keep that from backing out, so I could pull it, but then it would get hung up. That was my concern, as I'd be going down the road and then go to shift and I'd pull it right out. So I figured if I put a little knob on the end of the kind of screwdriver tool there, the Allen key, then it wouldn't come out. That's it. That's how I had held it in. So I just put tension on that piece there. So kind of go in here, you can see how there's that washer on the end of that. Just kind of pull this off the rest of the way, and you can see that it's really just this washer that was then getting wedged in there, and then that's what allowed me to pull against it. And then the arm was sitting on the back side there of the arm, the screwdriver kind of thing, and that's what would give me the leverage. But that's all that little aperture arm is. You know, it's just kind of like a fork. So just like a simple screwdriver with a washer on the end was enough to let me get leverage on that. So that just slides over. The washer goes in. It binds on there. And you can apply leverage on it. It rotates up. And then the tape and the Velcro were just on there to keep tension, keep it from sliding out. So, cheap fix, worked pretty slick.